I'm Agnieszka Kromska from Kromski team, and today I will show you how easy and quick you can assemble our Presto loom. Let's go! For Presto assemble, you need to prepare a crosshead screwdriver and a tray for small metal parts. Make the clamps. The rounded part of the wooden block should be facing up. Next, insert metal washer and nut. Repeat the process with the second clamp. Now put aside the parts you don't need for assemble: clamps, warping peg, handle, shuttle sticks, warping dowels, pickup stick, and shorter white strings. Select the metal poles. Place them on the side of the frame with the number 2 and 3. Check that the double tip of each pole points to the black plastic tubes inserted on top of the frame. Take 2 panhead screws and 2 small washers. Use a screwdriver to attach the poles. The screw should go into the hole closest to the magnet. Leave enough space for poles to twist around, but not sideways. Find large and medium metal washers. Attach the large one to the warp beam on the metal ratchet side and medium washer to the other side. Follow with second beam. Set the cross support with the name Presto according to the number 2 and 1 for each of the marked sides of the frame. This will be the front of our loom. Take the rear cross support and repeat the process. Choose 4 wood screws, the longest 4.5, and use them to screw the cross supports to one side of the frame. Do not tighten them all the way yet. Place warping beams F for front and R for rear. Select the 4 remaining screws and attach the other side. Be careful that the poles do not get in the way. Now take 2 black knobs and 2 wood screws. Match the hole in the knobs and mark hole in the beam and screw firmly. Turn the loom upside down and insert the metal legs. Prepare the handle blocks. 2 M6 screws. Insert the screw into the hole. It has a square shape for easy installation. You will see that the right handle block has a small peg on the right side and the left block has a small peg on the left side of its back. Find 2 holes on the frame. One lower and smaller for the small peg and one for the screw. It is drilled from the frame. Tighten metal washer and brass nut the outside of the screw. Attach 2 wood screws with oval heads to the small holes on the warping beam. Do not tighten them all the way. Tie a knot on the one end of the longer string, then attach it to one of the screw. Thread the loose end of the string through holes, going from the back to the front of the beam. Tie a knot on the other side of the string and attach it to the bolt. Tighten the screws completely. Repeat the steps for the other warping beam. Finally, check that all parts of the loom frame fit together. Fully tighten the 8 wooden screws on the sides of the frame. Insert the metal warping brackets into the plastic tubes on the sides of the frame for the front and back. We did it! Congratulations! Your Presto is ready to work!